any student starting learning English should know these things that we are about to speak in the next moment. Okay, so the grammar lesson is about the demonstrative pronouns. There are four, okay? Let's see them. This, that, these, those. So, this marker, that window, these friends, those people. Okay. How do we use them? What do they express? It's very, 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 very easy. Let's see some examples. Okay. So, we have to divide these two categories of demonstrative pronouns. First of all, in terms of distance, closeness to us. So if I say this marker is because I'm holding it. It's near me. So everything that is in my let's say my area, no, everything that I could touch with my hand, and if it's a singular, I will say this. For example, this board, okay? So this watch, okay? This board is white. This watch is nice. Okay, you got the idea. So everything that I'm touching with my hand or my hands, this, and if it's singular, okay, we speak about singular. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, what if we speak about or if you refer to the door or the window? You are 3 meters away from it, so it's not something that you can touch with your hand. So now do this exercise. Take all the objects in your room that are not within your reach, that you cannot touch with your hand, and in that moment begin to say that window, that bottle, that refrigerator. Okay, so that window is broken. That car is expensive. Okay, I can't touch them. Okay, I can't touch them because they are more than, let's say, 1 meter away from me. Okay, so this, that, and we speak about singulars. You see, this board is white, this watch is nice, that window is broken, that car is expensive. Okay, good. I wrote a little explanation here. That I can't touch the window, I can touch the car, and here I can touch it. Let's say it and not them. Okay, I can touch. Okay, so I have this little help now, thinking about the objects, the persons that are very close to me, within my reach, so I can touch them with my hand, I will say this. If I refer to anything or anybody that is a little bit further away from me and I cannot touch it or him or her with my hand, I will say that. That window, that car, in this case, this board, this watch, okay? Good, you understood the idea. The same thing we use for the plural. If I refer, for example, to these two markers, okay? They are here, I touch them. These markers are good, okay? These markers are good. Okay. Let's say these phones are here. These people visited me. These phones, these people, I can touch them. They are within my reach, you know, these phones, this means that the phones are here. These people, they are close to me. Half a meter, okay? Right in front of me, by my side. Now, if I reach out, I could touch them. So, these phones, these people. So, now the pronunciation. This, these phones, these people, okay? So now we are speaking about the plural, okay? A little bit further from me, okay? And in the plural, for example, those girls, okay? I see three girls walking on the street. I say, those girls are very nice. I see a group of girls that are helping an old lady, and I say, those girls are very nice, okay? They are not close to me, they are a little bit farther, so I say, those girls, okay? If you see, some cars at a distance, not here in front of you, or by your side, okay, or behind, you say, those cars are very fast. Those cars are very fast. Okay. Now we have plural, so let's see them again. The plural ones, we have these phones, they are here, no, I can touch them. These people, okay? Here, okay? If I use my hand, I could touch them. Those girls are very nice. Those cars are very fast, okay? I'm not at a distance that I could touch the girls or the cars with my hand, no. They are a little bit farther, okay? So basically, let's close the matrix. So here we have these, is the plural, and here we have those, okay? Good. We have to draw a conclusion now. In conclusion, you use these in the singular and these in the plural to refer to things or people or I don't know, anything that is close to you. If you want some help, we speak about people or things that you can touch with your hand. So if you reach out your hand, you can touch these people or these objects. For example, this board is white. This watch is nice. I can touch it. The board, I can touch the watch. Okay, a little bit further. That window is broken. That car, I see a car, no, 3 meters away, that car is expensive. Okay, here, we go to the plural. These phones, I can touch them. They are here, okay? These phones are here. These people visited me. They are here, in front of me. These people visited me, okay? So we are in the plural now, and now a little bit further. Those girls are very nice. Those cars are very fast. Okay? In this case, I cannot touch the girls with my hand because they are, they are farther from me. And here I can touch the cars. Let's say that they are 10 meters away. Those cars are very fast. This is it. Of course, we are not speaking only about objects or people. If I say this problem is not something that we can touch, it's not a physical thing. Okay, but in this case, you use the same logic. If you say, for example, this problem is the problem that you are referring to in this moment. If you say that problem, you refer to a problem that happened yesterday, 3 days ago, okay? So it's about the moment, this problem, the problem from now, the problem of this moment, that problem, the problem of yesterday, of 3 days ago, okay? So you use this kind of logic, even if it's not something that you can touch with your hand, because we are not speaking only about physical objects or beings, okay? But you understood the idea. So repeat after me. The matrix, this, that, okay? These people, these telephones, these spoons, these cups of coffee, okay? I have them in front of me. Those, okay? So this, that, these, those, okay? These are the demonstrative pronouns and adjectives, as they call them in the grammar lessons. But for you, it's they are some of the most used words that you are going to use in English, because it's happening in any language. So you cannot be a good English speaker without using these words, obviously. Okay? Nothing more to add for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. It's a class for the beginners. Of course, it wasn't a class for the intermediate, because at this level, you are supposed to know everything that we talked about today. Thank you very much for watching, and please, if you didn't do it until now, subscribe to the channel, share the lesson, and give me a like. I'm looking forward to the next class with you.